And hello there, I am in Kettleman City, California, which is the home of a cheese factory and a hazardous waste facility, and also the Tesla mega Supercharger, 40 stalls. So yeah, got some really good speeds here. There's only about 4 vehicles here, and this ICE vehicle that decided that he couldn't fill up with fuel here, so is deciding to go to the Shell next door. The facility is absolutely fantastic. It's got a little store, it's got a barista, make sure this is working, store, got a barista. You do need a passcode to be able to get in, and believe it or not, the passcode is 2018 Nissan Leaf 2.0, battery troubles, stay away from. You had to punch all that in if you wanted to get inside, but it's really nice inside. There's some people in there now, so I'm not going to go there and bother them with a camera, but definitely worth the trip. So here I am. Isn't that beautiful? I also bought some swag. Cost me $100, but for a t-shirt and a mug, but it's awesome. You take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye. Well, part of my pilgrimage is to go to the Tesla factory, but unfortunately I guess I'm here at Shift Exchange because there's about 3 miles of cars wanting to leave. So that's the factory ahead of you. I was here, but I'm not going in there. Cheers. Well, there you go, the first and definitely not the last road trip in the Tesla Model S. What an amazing adventure from Vancouver all the way down as far south as Los Angeles. No problems with the supercharger system. The network is fantastic. Zero range anxiety. The only part that I was a little concerned is when I was in Los Angeles. There's, tons of superchargers, but there's also tons of Teslas down there. So there was always, prime time. There's always a wait there. One of the amazing things was, so as you can tell, I did go to the Freemont factory just to say that I was there. It's my pilgrimage as a Tesla owner to go down to the Fremont factory just to say, hey, I've seen it. And so on my way back, the first stop, I can't remember where it was, but everything's a blur. The first stop at the Supercharger just north of Fremont. I was parked there, I was charged, and then a Model S mobile tech support chap came in. So I was looking at him, and the car was all done out in decals and such like that. And I said, hey, are you on the clock? And he says, yeah. You have a problem? Not a problem. Hey, you got a problem? I say, hey, do you have an issue? And I said, yeah, I just noticed that my inside door rear left window button doesn't action the window. He says, yeah, no problem. He grabs his screwdriver, his bag, he puts his shirt on, he comes over and he takes the door apart and fixes it right then and there. And he gets the VIN and it's all under warranty or goodwill or whatever. And apparently that's what he does when he's at a supercharger charging his mobile support Tesla. He just walks around to the guys charging and say, hey, is there anything you need done? I'm pretty sure most or all of it would be under kind of warranty or goodwill work. I doubt that he goes to a out of warranty car and says, hey, do you need $175 worth of work done? Yeah, so no. Some of the things that I noticed, especially with the mapping system, it's not the greatest. Turn by turn was good as long as there was a good period between the two, because if it was a right turn right away by a right turn, then a left turn, by the time that you're hearing what the next one is, you've already blown through it. It's I missed superchargers and I missed turns a number of times on the trip. So now I sort of look ahead on the left-hand side of the screen. It shows you a play-by-play. I don't wait now for the girl to give me directions. I look left, right, right, and then I just do it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Not much video, I do apologize. I think this in June, so in a couple of months, I'm gonna probably go down to Texas 45-degree angle southeast from where I'm at, and I'll probably do a full day by day living out of the back of your car and a long trip. Anyway, you take care and talk to you soon.